Yo, what's good, boys? What's good? Let me post that I'm live. Let me tell the people that I doubt anyone even joins from my Instagram story, but you never know. If you join from my Instagram story, let me know. If you well, you're probably not seeing it yet. If you join from my Instagram story, let me know. I'm kind of curious. Alright, we're live right now. We're about to no. I was gonna say we're about to make some bread. That's corny. We're live. We live right now. Join up. All right. I'm not even gonna lie, everyone. I may have been doing some intense studying last night. I went down some rabbit holes. I wouldn't say. I was on Twitter. I was looking at Twitter last night. Like, we'll just say I was diving into Twitter, and I may or may not. I'm not gonna say everything. All right, give me 1 second. No, I'm feeling the energy today. I think today's gonna be the best stream yet. I think today, like, strange prediction. Today's gonna be the best stream yet. Today is, like, straight up. Yeah. All right. Now we can get to business. What's good, Iron Will? What's good, Taha? What's good? Is it Aya or Aya? I'm pretty sure Aya. I would say Aya. Aya Kamal. All right. So what am I looking at? What am I looking at? This is what I'm looking at on ES. So if we look at ES, I'm gonna what even is that? I'm gonna delete this. Look at ES. We're coming back into that daily for value gap, and I'm not gonna lie. London and Asia session was pretty. Like, we didn't do much. All we did was in Asia. Like, we did nothing in Asia session, which, I mean, I guess that's really expected. And then London, we take Asia high and low. And now we have an SMT internally here. And we also have an SMT with these highs up here. So we have a double internal SMT in an area in which we expect to reject off that daily fair value gap. This could be high of the week. That we just put in. I don't like how we barely came into this fair value gap. That is a little bit suspect. You see how we barely came into this fair value gap? Like, that tells me that we're gonna come back within this fair value gap. No question about it. No doubt in my mind we're gonna come back within this fair value gap. Just the way that we barely poked it there. Like, we barely poked the fair value gap, but the fact that we have an internal SMT here overlapped with an SMT here tells me that price likely is gonna reverse. And what I'm expecting, and I was expecting this yesterday, but we'll see what happens. I think that this could happen very quickly, but hey, they're low key. They're offering us an entry right here. I'm probably not gonna take it, but you guys, this fair value gap wouldn't be a bad entry. We have low resistance liquidity here. Look at this. Low resistance liquidity here. Let me put on some jabs. I'm not gonna be lacking today. Let me put on some jabs. Yeah, I was doing a little bit of a. Do I not have a lights? We got non-copyrighted jazz music. Even though I get copyrighted on it, but I don't really care. Because I don't make money off of YouTube, so. Alright, let me know if this is the good one. It should be. I've been studying the ICT 2022 mentorship for 1 week. Any tips? Just keep on doing it. Keep on showing up and keep on trying to apply that information to your charts in real time, and that's how you're gonna become successful. It's just by just doing it over and over, doing it over and over and over and over again. That's how you're gonna become successful in this game. All right, this looks kind of nice. I'm gonna let market open because that's just who I am as a trader, but this looks kind of nice. We have overlapping SMTs, and now we're coming back within an area in which I could expect to reject. You're bearish today? Yeah, me too. If you know it's going back up, why not buy? Because it goes against the already existing draw. I don't know. I don't know what you're saying. I don't know what you're trying to say. Sorry, bullish. Me and you have had different biases. Why are you bullish? Me and you have had different biases for, or sorry, I'm not saying that aggressively. I was just, what makes it bullish for you? Because like these two overlapping SMTs and the fact that we have low resistance liquidity, and the fact that we're within a daily fair value gap, like I don't think it's very bullish in my opinion, but the fact that we barely tap this daily fair value gap is very suspect in my opinion. Very suspect. All right, I'm gonna let market open. We have all this low resistance liquidity below us that we have yet to tag. I'm expecting on ES at least to go from external range liquidity back into internal range liquidity, and I'm pretty sure this would be a was there daily? No, that's not daily fair value gap yet, but this is going to be a 4-hour fair value gap in here. I would like the target for me is this 1-hour fair value gap here. Also has that resting consolidation below it. All right, yeah, this looks very clear in my opinion, but I'm gonna wait. I want to see a little bit more displacement, and then I might be able to catch second stage distribution here. So we'll see what happens. This is kind of what I'm looking at. I want to catch in on the silver bullet second stage of redistribution since this is a sell model. Yo, what's good, Seth? How you doing? Hey, I'm doing great. How about you, Jay? How you doing? You're targeting 1760. I don't know. I'm pretty bearish. Back within this breaker, back within this fair value gap. This could be a good shorting opportunity. Breaker, fair value gap. We have a high, low, higher high, or a low, high, lower, low. Sorry, yeah, that's right. You can maybe put your stop at the high here, and then let this trade play out, maybe to all the way down here, but that's not the type of trader I am. I'm going to wait for a little bit more confirmation. I want to see market open. I want to see market play us out, but this does look very nice off of this breaker fair value gap here. We are kind of blowing this 15-minute fair value gap, so that's a little bit concerning, but I don't care to be engaged up here. I feel more confident being engaged down here, and I know that there's always going to be another entry, so I'm not too discouraged. Dude, my blinds, the sun's like peeking through me. Yo, I'm excited. I'm moving this weekend. It's finally happening. Look at this inversion. 15-minute inversion right here. Inversion fair value gap overlapped with that fair value gap. This looks nice. I'm gonna wait. Bro, wait, bullish SMT as well. Oh, here. I don't care too much about the bullish SMT because like on ES, we've already swept buy side. We've already taken buy side here. And we're within a daily fair value gap. So I'm not even going to mark that SMT yet. Or I'm not going to pay this blind. Is that the one you're talking about? Because like it wouldn't make sense for me to mark out like a little SMT like that, especially if we have already taken buy side. Like we have smart money has already accumulated their position here. They already have bearish divergence on the higher time. Yes sir, yes sir. You're already in a sell position. What did you take it off of? Was it? Are you on ES or NQ? I like it on. I don't know. I'm waiting. I like to get a little bit better risk. All right, market's about to open in 1 minute, so we'll see what happens. We'll see what this beast wants to do. All right. See, do we fail to take highs here on NQ? Let's look at DXY real quick. Last time I checked, okay, DXY is kind of selling off here. Just retracing though to this probably 1 hour fair value gap. My guess is we come to this 1 hour fair value gap, and then this does look like pretty bearish. We are respecting this order block here, so keep that in mind. But DXY, sorry, I wish I wasn't doing this right now. DXY, we're seeing that weekly imbalance. Kind of like barely dug into it though, so I don't know. DXY, I'm not gonna be over. I'm not really gonna analyze DXY today. I'm not gonna be overly biased because of DXY. All right. Let's see what happens. Overall, this looks pretty bearish in my opinion. Overlapping SMTs. ES just took buy side. ES failing to take highs. It's kind of bullish. There was a market maker buy model this morning. Did anyone take it? Dude, honestly, I think I might have to start waking up early. I think I might have to start waking up and like looking to trade earlier. All right. How are you, bro? I'm doing great. How are you, Luca? Morning, Joseph. How y'all doing? Your reasons. Keep in mind, lower time frame bullish SMT. I think I already said my thoughts. Low before that rebalance price. Reasons for us pushing low before that rebalance price. Yo, is NQ loading? Like, ES is selling off, NQ is not even budging. Look at NQ right now. NQ is not doing anything. What you watching? I'm bearish. 17th of April PD arrays. 17th of April. This? Are you talking about this? Are you talking about this? What do you mean 17th of April PD race? I don't. These don't matter anymore because the draw is already met. The draw was this high, so it already met. It's already met. It's a good morning. Good to hear. What do you mean by bearish? Bearish means that you're looking for a sell. You're looking for price to go lower. Bullish means that you're looking for green. You're looking for price to go higher. So that's bullish versus bearish. It's just like terminology. You'll get used to it. You'll get used to it. Like the more you surround yourself with the language, the more you get familiar to it. Like, brother, I had no clue what like a SMT fair value gap. Like, bro, it's especially if you're watching one of my streams. If you're watching ICT stream and you don't know anything about trading, bro, it's gonna feel so confusing. Cause like, dude, like you could easily watch one of those streamers that like trade support and resistance, and then they just have like a box here and then a box here. Oh, price is gonna go up here because we tapped this box. Oh yeah. Price is a little bit more complex than that, you know. Price is just it's just a tiny bit more complex than that, you know. My sell position, yes, I saw a nice rejection from the 1 hour order block, and the 1 minute market structure sold the 1 minute for value gap. Nice, took it on ES, nice. Yeah, I'm waiting to engage here. I'm waiting. We don't have any red folder news today at all. We don't have any red folder news at all today either. I like for us to come back in that 4 hour fair value gap and rebalance the last bearish move. This 4 hour fair value gap. Yeah, I think it is a little bit suspect. I think it is a little suspect that we like barely tapped this daily fair value gap. I think that's a little bit suspect. So I don't know if we're gonna get a full move lower to this fair value gap. That's kind of what I'm looking at. I'll look at this fair value gap to be the draw. We also have original consolidation below it, obviously because of the fair value gap. So I don't know. I'm gonna be kind of patient, and I'm just gonna let this play out, and maybe catch something in like the second stage of distribution or something like that. But we'll see what happens. I want to see a clear market maker model today, and it feels like sometimes I'll be looking for a clear, or I won't be looking. I'll be distracted, and then I won't be able to see it. You know. This does look like original consolidation. We have these stacked equal lows here. Look at all these stacked lows we have here. Probably gonna form an SMT here at the highs one more time. Yeah, we have SMT here, stacked lows below us. We're in an area in which we expect to reject. 5 minute fair value gap breaker, stacked overlapping SMTs at the highs. We just take a buy side here on ES. This looks clear like we're gonna sell. SMT here, this could be your soup. Look at this, 3, 4 equal lows here. The 17th of April on NQ, not ES. Okay. Oh yeah, hold up. Let me check that. 17th of April. What PD arrays? Is that on the 4 hour? Alright, NQ's come back up and taking this high. So I'm just gonna, we do have SMT at the highs. I'm not gonna mark any SMT at all. I'm really not gonna mark any SMT today, bro. SMT, I feel like it kind of just gets me too caught up. What's delay? Yeah, I'm probably gonna have, there's probably gonna be a delay on the stream, just a little bit. Maybe if I stream on Discord it won't be, but I don't know. I don't really need to stream on Discord. I'd rather do it on YouTube because like Discord, I'm not able to reach more people, you know? Alright. Reaching higher this morning. This gap here is the daily fair value gap on NQ. Daily fair value gap. Look at this volume imbalance that we have. Oh, I do want to note Tesla. What's Tesla looking like? Tesla's up 9%. Tesla just had earnings yesterday, so that was interesting. They're up 9%. Alright, I don't see anything yet. I don't see anything that I like at all. We don't have any red folder news. It's just not very clear in my opinion. This could be buy side of the curve on ES. I don't know. I still don't like it. We have just taken buy side and we're bouncing off a daily for value gap. This could be us coming back up to take this high one more time to then coming back to internal. The daily for value gap. And maybe my daily bias is wrong. I don't know. We did hold this 15-minute for value gap very nicely this morning. Look at that. 15-minute for value gap held it very nice. I'm still bearish, but cause like we just took highs. We just took highs on ES. So I don't think there's any reason to be bullish. After seeing this, and especially like so far in premium of this range, like I don't think, for me personally, I'm not looking to long this. Like I gotta see like a clear model. But y'all, last night I was doing some digging, y'all. I was backtesting a little bit, trying to backtest like some profiles, session profiles. Yeah, I was getting into it last night. I was getting into it last night. That's all we'll say. A little bit tired this morning. Yo, what's good, John? What's good, John? How you doing, bro? 15-minute. That's my target on the 17th of April. 15-minute for value up 17th of April. Jeez, I need to clean up my charts a little bit. I got too much stuff on it. I don't need all this. 15th. Is it this? This one here? I don't really use imbalances like that. I know ICT does. I don't have enough conviction with that. We did reach up into that. We did reach up into that 15-minute. Bissy, that no, it'd be a Sibby. Sorry. All right, we're saying that we tapped that daily for value up on NQ. That's something to note. We just tapped it, so we'll see. I'm not good with price levels. You'd have to send it in the Discord. Speaking of Discord, does anyone say anything in the Discord? I'm gonna open up Discord. Alright, no one said anything yet. Yeah, if you guys don't know who, dude, I like binge watched like all of MMXM's course. Binged that. What's the plan today? Wait for someone to be clear. Dude, that sun's annoying. Bottom tick long? Yes, sir, Eddie. You catch it here? Eddie? What's good, Umar? How are you? Hey, I'm dude. Last night I did some like heavy studying. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I pretty much stayed up like all night. Like, I want this so bad. Like, I want to become a profitable trader so bad. I'm like, that's like, I think it's kind of stupid to do that, but like, I really want this. I want it so bad. Like, I really want this. And I'm really locking in on market maker models. You guys can call me market maker Jesus from now on. Not yet, but like, I'm locking in. Like, I'm not like playing around at all. Like, I really want to become a profitable trader, and that's all I want. And nothing's gonna get in my way. Like, I really want this. So that being said, like, I might cut streams shorter just so I can like study and kind of like backtest price, you know? Cause like you guys will be able to tell in like 2 months, 3 months time, like you'll like 2-3 months time, like I'm gonna be a demon. Got in the 4 minute into market open, less than halfway into the candle. Where did you sell? Yeah, that was a nice entry. Alright, this is looking like we're going to have clear sell side of the curve. I'm still standing on that. Equal lows here, original consolidation here. We just need to see that smart money reversal for us to now engage. We're within this wick. We could reject off this wick. Can I call you Michael's disciple? Maybe. Well, I haven't really been watching Michael too much. I've watched some other people, but I've been studying. I've been putting in the work, and also like I have FX replay, and I've been on that too. And like, let's just say, like, we're gonna like I'm a damn near profitable trader right now. Like we're gonna take a good trade today. We're gonna take a good trade. We're rejecting off the Sibi here. We have a fair value gap we're rejecting off of. Let me kind of clean up my charts a little bit. We also are rejecting off of this 1 hour fair value gap. Don't love that confluence. We do have SMT at the highs right now, so we'll see what happens. I saw next candle hit my target. Hey, that's all you need, bro. That's all you need. Just stick to your plan. Take whatever. That's nice, bro. Egg yourself, Eddie. How's your Apex doing? How's your Apex doing? Are you still active with the Apex? All right, 950 macro is about to open. Probably gonna get a good shorting opportunity here. SMT highs, rejection off of this fair value gap. Stacked equal lows below us. We're definitely going to draw into those. Hey, what's good, Camden? You blew the Apex twice. You hate to see it. That's why I don't like fundeds, bro. I steady hate on fundeds. Which, oh, speaking of that, bro, I got a meeting with. I have a call with my funded futures today. I'm trying to get a deal for us, yo. I'm trying to get like 4 fundeds to give away. Check your DM. On Discord or what? I don't see anything. On Discord or what? Instagram. I got a gambling mindset after going funded. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, I do not give a shit to get funded, and especially see, like, no offense, but especially seeing like people like you guys. Bro, I don't know what's up with my Instagram DMs. Like, I literally don't get DMs. Like, I've seen in my comments that people DM me, but not like I don't get DMs. I literally don't get DMs anymore. All right. Giveaway today? I don't have the power to do that. I don't know. I'll probably do a giveaway sometime in the future. He DM'd me on Kia Ghosty? What does that mean? He's live right now on YouTube? Send the link in Discord. Oh, this? What did he say? You want to collab? Alright, we stay in our own lane over here. I literally don't have a DM on Instagram. Well, seeing as a market maker sell model as well, and then we get a huge pump. Hey, it still is, bro. Still got a tap, bro. Look at these equal lows. This is clearly gonna be a market maker sell model. You gotta be confident with it. You gotta have some confidence in it. Like no doubt in my mind, this is the draw on liquidity. I don't know. NQ is just reaching up in that daily fair value gap. We're digging a little bit deeper here. All right, S&T highs, fair value gap here. I want to see displacement lower to validate this. I will take this. Overlapping SMTs on... Wait, hold up. We have overlapping SMTs on ES. We have SMT at this high here. Wait, do we still have that? Gotta make sure. Yeah. So notice how NQ is nowhere near this high. So we just took this high here. Now we have SMT here, and now we have another intro SMT. This macro also opens up right now. I don't know though. We are kind of bullish here. I just don't see us continuing this all day today. You don't know what price will do? Was thinking it was... Yeah, I don't. Alright, we just took buy side. We're about to take buy side. He's live on YouTube. He's DM'd you. Go comment on his live. Yo, what's good, Adam? What's good, Adam? How you doing? Why your number one search punch fade dev? Why is your number one search punch fade? Wait, no, was it? I've never looked at punch. I know who he is though. It didn't say punch fade dev. You're tripping. Oh, you're tripping. It doesn't even say. It doesn't even say. Equal highs put in on ES. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I want to see the displacement lower to validate this to be the draw, but I'm confident that this is the draw, but I'm just waiting. I want us to refer to these old order blocks. These will now become mitigation blocks. If you draw them out, I want to refer to something like that. So. Who's your mentor? I was in Justin Whirling's Discord for a minute, Justin Whirling. But I'm not gonna lie, I stopped really, I said I was only gonna have two mentors, ICT and Justin Whirling, and then I found I did some searching, I found some other people that I liked a little bit better, but just because, for me, look at this. That's just something to look for. For me, I just like to use order blocks, and it used to be Justin Whirling, but it's I don't know. I'll show you guys my like YouTube search history. I've been browsing around, I'm not gonna lie. I'll show you guys my YouTube search history. He trying to help you? What is he trying to do? Let me know. Is he trying to mentor me? Because if he's trying to mentor me, then I'm so happy right now. I held on Tesla knowing it will go back. Ooh, brother. I don't know, Adam. That money might not be yours. That money might not be yours. That money might be the markets. Honestly. That money might be the markets. That might be the markets money. Alright, we kind of have this PPR. Did we take this high? Yeah, we did take the high, so I don't really love it that we didn't take this high here. We'll see what happens. Equal lows below us on ES. This is clearly the draw. But I don't like these equal highs here. I don't like these equal highs, but that's cool. What vids do you watch to learn? We'll go over that in a minute. I can give you guys some more info. If you guys look at my Discord, I literally post most of it in helpful videos. If you guys look at my Discord, most of the videos I find helpful, I put in helpful videos. So you guys know what I'm watching if you look at my Discord. He tricked you in putting P on your search? Oh, I see. Did he actually? Bro, Eddie knows. Eddie knows. Eddie knows for sure. Eddie knows for sure. Yo, what's good, Onsite? How you doing, brother? Does the liquidity have to tap the very end of the wick, or can it just be in the range? A liquidity sweep is when we actually take this high. A liquidity sweep is when we actually take this high, then we trigger sell orders. Alright. We've now had displacement lower. This looks like the draw. For sure. I don't really care too much about these equal highs. You couldn't even count this a breaker. This is just a mitigation. You have inverse for value gap here, mitigation block here. Looks like we're just gonna take these lows. Been starting to watch TGR too. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really I used to watch TGR, then I just like, I think that there's, I don't know, I haven't really seen him too much, but he's a good guy, don't get me wrong. I still don't really mess with that much. Tesla's about to hit 165 and then I bought 6K some Tesla too for my Roth IRA. Yeah, we're talking about. I'm bearish on Tesla long term. All right, this is now the draw on liquidity. We've now had displacement through a low. This now validates. I'm looking to see this breaker, this mitigation possibly be engaged. Other than that, ugh. I would ideally like to. It just doesn't look clear in my opinion. Like, hey, maybe if we had an SMT, or if we actually, excuse me, if we actually took this high, and this high formed up here, I would feel a lot more comfortable like entering in here. But we left equal highs. That just looks a little bit suspect to me, honestly. And then let's look at NQ. NQ's price action is not like very clean. Kind of have a move up, move down. Like there's not really much to this here. Move up, move down. I don't see much yet. I don't see really much of anything yet. Overall, I'm not gonna take anything. Original consolidation here. This is the sell side of the curve right now that we're in. We have this breaker kind of, well, it's a mitigation block. We could poke our way back up into. Where's equilibrium? I swear I drew out my fib, but then I didn't say anything. Maybe this fair value gap. So we have an inverse fair value gap here, lined with a fair value gap, lined with that mitigation. We'll see if price comes back up into here. This also is the 950 macro. I think I might have to wait for a better opportunity. I don't like this structure. What I mean by that is kind of just had a quick sell-off, and I want to see a little bit more structure to really validate a trade. What's the difference between a liquidity sweep and a liquidity pool? So a liquidity pool is pretty much saying a liquidity pool is pretty much saying, here, I'll try to. A liquidity pool is saying, hey, we have orders resting above here. This is a liquidity pool above here because we have orders resting above here. A liquidity sweep is when we actually take that liquidity. So we actually take and trigger these orders to then push price lower. So that's the difference. A pool is just like the concept. Polo shirts, yeah, you know. No, I actually said punch pay dev. You'd have to show me a clip of that. TJR seems like a guru. I would say I actually do like I like TJR. Don't get me wrong. I really like TJR. But I don't like the way that he trades anymore. Like I started off watching TJR, but then once I've kind of discovered more about like smart money and more about ICT concepts, like he has a strategy that works for him. That's great. That's cool. And I actually do think TJR is like a great guy. I feel like he's definitely a good guy. Great guy, in fact. The profit's way too high to be realistic. Yeah, he does be hitting like 26K days. I'm in for the dividend payouts. Yeah, I mean, I like Tesla long term. I'm really into Tesla long term, so I might be looking to actually open a position on Tesla. If you guys don't know, this is exactly what I was looking for. You guys know, I was waiting for us to engage this weekly for value gap, take sell side here, and then ideally I want to see displacement higher. I want to see displacement higher to then maybe engage in something. Because I kind of like Tesla. That's just me personally. And I know that this isn't going to be the end of the company. Like, they're not just going to go in shambles, in my opinion. That's just my personal opinion. Obviously, it might not be correct. Obviously, I don't trade stocks. I don't really trade Tesla. But I would be willing to make that investment. Honestly, just like as a personal investment. Up 24K on the day. Nice. Nice. Good stuff, bro. Have we made any trades yet? I haven't traded yet. I don't see anything that... We have equal highs, equal lows. That's all I know. And there's not a clear model. Time and price is not aligned. We also have no red folder news today. So I'm going to be a little bit more hesitant. I don't know what, like, people say they're messaging me. Because I would like to, I would think I would get more DMs. Because I used to get a lot of DMs. And I haven't really got too many DMs recently. I want to see this kid make a good trader. I have an opportunity for those who can trade on their own and make at least 74% accuracy. I appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Appreciate you for supporting me, bro. Appreciate it, Stefan. Yeah, true. I have it the same with him. He's cool, very motivated to look at, but I would say he's best for beginners. What do you? Are you talking? Oh, are you talking about TJ? I think you were talking about me, ICT disciple. I was like, what? Yeah, I would say, like, you gotta realize, sir, you're able to target beginners on social media. Can you go over time and price? Yeah, pretty much time and price from, at least just by looking at this move, like, we just had a sharp move lower, and therefore, I want to see a little bit more structure to really validate anything. We just had a sharp move lower, so I'm not gonna short a fair value gap like here because time and price is not aligned. Time is the most important component of trading, the most important components. And this reminds me of exactly the trade that I took yesterday. Let me pull it up. I took a very small loss. And I took it off because look, we had a displacement, but time and price were not aligned. I mean, I know I didn't really explain it, but I'm still a student. I'm still learning, so Check the group chat. I'm not checking that on live. Search the account and click the messages. Short off the mitigation? Which one? Do you like take the wick? I think this could work out, but I don't know for sure. What videos can I get a better understanding of time and price? Oh, there's a really good one I sent in the Discord. This one. This one's very good. Other than that, I watched Justin Whirling too. Alright. Mitigation block engaged. Come back into this fair value gap. This also is the equilibrium of this leg. I'm waiting. I don't see anything I love. Like, for me to take a trade, bro, it has to look fantastic. Messaged you on IG last week. Search the account and click the message. Wait, you did? Oh, my bad moment. My bad moment. I didn't respond to that. I just not. I don't want to expose all my DMs. But screw it. That's weird. Why can't I see it? Alright, that's what I'm saying. Like, we're just not ready yet. What is this though? What is this though? This now becomes future targets. This now becomes a future target. So we're gonna stay patient. Justin doesn't have any time and price, otherwise I would have known it by now. I watch every one of his videos. Dude, what do you mean? He has. I feel like he has plenty of videos on time and price. He talks about time and price a lot. What do you mean? Alright, we're back within this original breaker here. I'm not shorting this at all. I'm not looking to short this. I think you're tripping, Camden. I don't get how SMT highs work. SMT is a divergence between NQ and S. This isn't an SMT. So say NQ puts in a higher high here. I'll map it out with this. So say NQ does something like this to where we fail to take this high, and then ES comes up and actually takes that high. That's an SMT divergence. They're really good for signifying possible signs of reversal. Possible signs of reversal. Watch Ross Cameron, Warrior Trader. Him and I base our strategy. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Ross Cameron? Well, look up.
It was about 10 years ago when I was struck.
Sorry, he had a video on taxes that I was looking at. I don't trade retail. I don't trade retail. Like, retail sees this as support. I see that as low resistance liquidity. And hey, retail support worked here. I'm not saying retail support and resistance doesn't work. I'm just saying that that's not how I view price. Probably am. Is there a delay in the stream? There probably will be. I DM'd you last week. You never answered. I guess I don't get DMs. Alright, we could be coming back up within this daily fair value gap just a little bit. Low resistance liquidity. Failure swings. Failure swings. Low resistance liquidity, just putting in lows and then failing to take them. So we know that price is going to hunt them. It's a matter of when. Time and price. We're going up to daily equilibrium of this range. Yeah, we could be going up to equilibrium of that range. About a skyrocket? I think the opposite. Why? Overall, I don't like this, so I'm not going to trade it. Honestly. I feel like I haven't traded in a minute. I took a trade, I took a trade yesterday, but I don't really count it because I took it off. Daily fair value gap on NQ. About to hit equilibrium. We could be reaching for equilibrium, but I don't really like it. Overall, I just don't like this price action. This is just not very good price action. Equal highs on ES, up 206 on NQ, waiting for it to reach that high. Nice. What do you take it off of? Was it something down here? Personally, I'm just looking at this as low resistance liquidity, so I don't really feel comfortable taking it along, knowing that we have low resistance liquidity below us, and we have higher time frame imbalances below us. Like, we have these 4-hour imbalances below us. So, don't get me wrong. We could still be bullish today, but it doesn't make sense that price would just reach all the way up here and just leave an imbalance unfilled. But we could just keep on going higher. And then come back and hunt these, but I would like it a little bit better if we came and hunted these imbalances today. We don't necessarily have to, though. We do have equal highs on ES. $15-minute inverse that formed during open. Price came back and it took the high, waiting for it to retrace. 15-minute inverse. This one. Could have been a. Let's zoom in here. Could have been, yeah. Could have been we had S&T at the lows as well. I will sponsor your channel when you produce at least 71% profitable trades. I think you can do it. I think so too. I appreciate it though. Look at these wicks. Immediate rebalance, I'm pretty sure. Now, what are they called? I have notes about them. Redelivered rebalance PD array. So that's what these are. All right, looks like we're just gonna hunt and take these lows here. We came back up into that BPR. I don't like this because we still have equal highs. Overall, just not a great section and price. Please tap this. Please tap this and go higher. I want us to create another failure swing. But yeah, we're definitely probably gonna hunt these equal lows. I would love for us to leave another. I would love for us to leave this area. I would love for us to come back up higher. Y'all, if we were to do this, I'd probably short this as soon as we took these highs. If that happened. Overall, I don't really like any of this. Simple as that. So I'm not gonna trade it. I really hope we come back up and take these highs all the way up here. I would take that soup any day of the week, especially if there's an SMT there. You have the idea, you just have to take action. I paper traded your ideas and you have a 53% profitability. I know taking action is scary when you're actually using real cash. No, wait, actually, you've paper traded all my ideas? If so, that's crazy. $53% profitability? Well, has it been like things that I've actually taken, or like I've said, oh, this looks decent? Because like there's times I say when I've been like, this looks decent. Re-entered off the same price. Are we cooked here, chat? Wait, what did you enter off of? I've been watching you for a month? Yeah, I appreciate it. Wait, like the win rate was 53%? Or profitability rate? Because like if the win rate was 53% and if there's good risk to reward on that, that's actually pretty decent. Oh. Well, you entered long again? I do not like the entry at all. We have equal lows below us on ES. We also have low resistance liquidity below us on ES. But for me to get a good trade off of this, I want to see us come back up and take these highs. But I highly doubt that will happen. And ideally do that by leaving all this liquidity here. I used to trade on NQ on 1 minute time frame back in the day for entries, but in the past 4 years, I'm used to 15 minute for entries. Yeah, I would agree. Sometimes I get too locked in on the 1 minute, especially. I really do like the 15 minute though. Like the 15 minute, The 15-minute, the hourly, and the I do like I use every time frame, but I do like the 15-minute. Especially if you're scalping. I kind of want to figure out my Instagram DMs. I'm curious. Oh, do I have to go over here? Let me see it. Oh my gosh. I just found all my DMs now. I just found all my DMs. Yo, I got some DMs to respond to now. That's crazy. Alright, sorry. I ain't gonna like try to answer all these. But I want to see us come back up, take this high here, and then head lower. But I don't know if that's gonna happen. But this looks way too clean. This looks way too clean. When you suggest your point of action, I paper trade. You know your stuff, and with it being a short time with you in this field, I believe you can do better. You're hiding in the way, but I appreciate it. I appreciate it, bro. That means a lot. That means a lot. I appreciate it. Like, keep in mind, I've only been trading my concepts for like not that long. Like, I got so much more to grow, so much more to improve on, and like, I really want this. I really want this more than anything. I want this more than anything. I'm watching BOF. I make another trade if I see the volume. What's BOF? I don't know what that is. I kind of feel bad. Like, I now am seeing all my Instagram DMs. On my phone, though. I would love to respond. It doesn't show up on my PC at all. Oh, he already responded to me. Alright. We're gonna get into the trading though. It's a stock. I can tell you, I don't like stocks. That one guy was warning us about AMC. Oh my gosh. That one guy might be onto something. Could you imagine if an AMC just rips to the moon and that guy's just like telling us before the storm hits? I do want to look at something. I had a prediction. I think I have to look at it on this screen. Yeah, it was this. I want to see us go back in internal. Look at this. Redelivered rebalanced PD array. That's a very strong PD right here. This would be a good short. Well, it would have been a good short up here. 5 minute fair value gap there. Pretty bearish. Alright, other than that, we're waiting. We waiting. Excuse me. Like I'm saying as well, like that PD array with the wick. Like normally this would be a fair value gap, but we have a wick here. So sell side was offered within here. So we're just rebalancing it. So this now becomes a balanced price range. More advanced stuff. More stuff I need to backtest with as well. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Does this not scream low resistance liquidity? I don't know. I will just be shocked if we leave all this for another day. Which, honestly, we might leave this for like Thursday or Friday. I wouldn't be surprised. Market has been very, especially like looking at this. We don't have any high impact news. Consolidating for the 4-hour market maker buy model. Yeah, I'm still expecting this to play out. I would expect to see this play out on the higher time frame. I want to see something like this though. And I'm expecting the week to maybe end here. Like this to be Friday here. And then next week we get a push up into there. That's what I'm expecting. That's what I would like to see. Tomorrow, yeah, we don't have any high impact news, so that could be why price isn't really wanting to drive anywhere. Forex Factory, yeah, tomorrow's GDP, I'm pretty sure. GDP and unemployment and 10 a.m. So we got 8:30 and 10 a.m. 8:30 and 10 a.m. Friday. I think Friday is gonna be a lot higher probability. I don't know, just by looking at this. Like, do you really want to be trading this? Like, really, do you want to be trading this? I do see that you could have possibly shorted this. I think the short here is probably going to play out. I still have conviction with that. And I want to see us come back up and take these equal highs on ES, but I highly doubt that will happen. Just by looking at this, I want to see us, like, okay, if we come back up and if we take the highs here, like, this would just be such a fantastic trade, honestly. That's what I'm waiting for. That's ideally what I would like to see, best case scenario. All right. I like a trading floor. Yeah, I like price isn't ready yet. I don't think. I want to see the 4-hour mitigation block tapped, essentially taking out low resistance liquidity as well. On NQ. What? On the 1 hour? Are you talking about this? This would be the breaker. Guess you could classify that as a breaker. I want to see us come back into this area. This is what I want to see. If the market wants to deliver that. Look at this whole morning, though. Look at this whole morning. Like, we're just within this range. We're still consolidating. And the important thing about this, though, is that we are consolidating, and that will create a higher time frame PD array. We're gonna have a swing high. Well, obviously we have a swing high here, but we're gonna put in a swing high here. That's what I want to see. I want to see us put in a swing high, work our way lower, back into this imbalance, take this liquidity, to then maybe rebalance into here, tap this order block, maybe, and then do something like this, possibly next week. This is what I'm looking at for the type of thing I would like to see. We'll see what happens, though. This doesn't have to be the end-all be-all, though. But this just looks... Like, just by looking at this, y'all... Just look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Am I the only one that sees this and doesn't, like... absolutely... like, have someone against that? Like, just clear trendline liquidity. Clearly, we're going to take the low resistance liquidity. And this is just not very good at all. Low key, what I'd be down to do is just now we're gonna just let market play out. Let market do what it wants to do. Here on the 5 minute, I don't see anything. Ideally, I want to see us come up and take these highs. But the thing that could work, that I think is going to work out, is this PD right here. Put your stop at this high. Notice that this candle as well has no wick. I just noticed that. This is called a devil's mark. Alright. Yeah, like I'm saying, this is probably going to play out. Looking back, this would have been the short. It's cool, though. We don't even know for sure yet. I want to see this 5-minute display slower. Catch something like this. Which I don't know what the way the market's been acting in the last 2 to 3 days has just been not very good. Like I thought the previous 2 weeks, let's look at how I'm gonna pull up my trades, but like these 2 weeks here, very clean. Very clean. These 2 days here, not so clean. I'm gonna change this. Go ahead, follow the rules. Alright, we've now taken these equal lows. We've now taken the equal lows. Now we have taken the equal lows. Still have low resistance liquidity to the left of us. Don't get me wrong with that. Don't mess me wrong with that. Silver bullet here. In terms of market maker sun model, you have your low risk entry. Kind of just low risk entry than silver bullet. Silver bullet's the intermediate term high. It's what's after that, and that's this. Boom. I still don't like a trade. Hopefully something brews up for the rest of the day. Hopefully there's something good for the rest of the day. All right. Oh, I got freaked out. I thought that was... Alright. Let's turn the mood up, y'all. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I feel like especially when we're trading, bro, and there's literally nothing to really look at. Like, this is when I wish I had someone else on here with me. Would anyone want to hop on with me on like a Discord call, or anyone want to hop on me and like potentially trade with me? Anyone want to do it? If so, let me know. I might open up the stage. We'll start the stage. I'll start the stage in Discord. I doubt anyone's gonna join this. Never mind. I'll trade with you. I'm with it. Alright. Someone requests to speak. I gotta turn off this jazz though. Ooh, the jazz is kind of hitting, I'm not gonna lie. Alright. Who wants to speak? Anyone? Wait. Oh, that makes sense. He's already a mod. I was like, how did bro just finesse his way up onto the stage?
Yo, I didn't know I could do that.
What's good on site? How you doing, bro?
How you doing, bro? Yeah.
Good. I'm great. How are you?
I took that short on ES off that breaker, and then it was just a bad stop loss, honestly. But if I kept my stop loss at the high, it would have hit TP.
Yeah, I. Wait, was it? You just see my
It
screen,
was
right?
it was at let's see, 947. That breaker, 947.
947. Oh, up here.
Yeah.
And then you put
And
your.
when price went back into it, I took a short with the tight stop loss and got stopped out. And yeah, on NQ I took a short at the 947 as well.
Wait, did you post?
Uh,
Did you post it in the Discord?
yeah, and then I moved stops to break even, got stopped out, but it looks like it's gonna hit TP right now.
Wait, let me see this.
Aussie wants to hop on.
Oh wait, so you hit TP on the first trade,
Yeah.
and then you entered again.
Oh no, I took partials, got stopped out at break even, because I moved my
Oh,
stop,
okay.
and then yeah.
I see. All right, let's see what Ozzy has to say. Let's get Ozzy on here. I don't hop on Discord that much. Like I don't be talking with y'all as much as I should.
Yeah.
Yo,
Yo, what's good, Ozzy?
what's good?
How you doing, bro?
So, yeah, I was in that long trade, but it honestly it hit my stop in profit. So I'm just waiting for some other stuff to
Wait, did you
take lows.
did you take that 15-minute inverse? Was that you?
Yeah, I was up like 220. I think I took partials, and then it hit my stop for like 70 ticks.
That's good. That's good at least. I'm looking at this now, and we're starting to get displacement through lows right here.
Yeah, I'm thinking so.
I don't really see anything yet. I think we still need to see some more structure, but overall, I didn't like how we left those equal highs. If we had those equal highs,
Definitely, it's definitely setting up for
yeah.
For some reason on the ES that I have up, there's no equal highs at the top. It's more like a relative equal highs.
Are you on MES?
Yeah, I'm on MES.
That's probably why.
Yeah.
I'm looking at ES the 4 hour. It's heading back down into this inverse 4 hour fair value gap. So I'm thinking it goes down to that gap and then it goes in.
Oh yeah, I see that too. Yeah.
But I'm just trying to see how that's correlating with NQs. So I'm trying to see NQs for.
Yeah, it's probably gonna tap into that 4 hour fair value gap. ES is running.
Yeah, I'm looking at this clear original. We have a clear original, clear as day original consolidation on ES.
Yeah.
ES and NQ.
I don't know if we could see a retracement. 1 minute market maker sell model, maybe.
Wait, is my mic not good, John? Is it different? It sound like. Wait, hold up. Is my mic bad through Discord?
Nah, your mic's fine.
Not bad.
YouTube saying my mic's not working. Wait, like when you watch it on Discord, it's bad? Oh, I see. The only entry, the entry that, like, looking back, this could have been the only entry I really liked. But even then, I don't like that because this candle doesn't have a wick. Anytime you have a candle without a wick, it's a little bit suspect. Go to settings and then raise the output level of your mic. Oh, I think I turned it down because someone said it was too loud. Wait, where is it? It's in user settings, I know. Here we go. Turn it up? Is that better? Oh, it's because my AirPods are connected. It's probably picking up my AirPods. Alright, yeah, I feel like Price is gonna run to this level. On NQ, is there anything we can enter off of? Can I have a 15-minute inverse still? Or no, that's not inverse anymore. My bad.
What would have failed?
This would be 15-minute inverse. If we break through it. Close below it. That 15-minute candle just opened up like 2 minutes ago. Wait, is that better on Discord?
That is better, yeah.
I just changed it. Yeah, it was on default. It was on default for Mike.
Oh, yeah.
I slapped some longs in here because I'm thinking SMT between these ES took it all those and Q didn't.
Longs?
Yeah, I'm gonna take partials up at this gap. I'm at MNQ by the way, not NQ.
I don't know.
I could see something like a turtle soup here.
What makes you say that?
Like ES where it swept accumulation lows, distribution lows. And then those equal highs.
For me, I wouldn't like taking anything long here because we have low resistance liquidity to the left of us, and on NQ we're bounced off a daily fair value gap. That's just me personally. There's volume imbalance as well. I'll be someone in the future. Probably gonna open up a 15-minute fair value gap here. That'd be my guess. I still don't like anything. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna be kind of picky with what I take today.
Standard deviation on NQs being respected.
Off the
Go
one,
to 2.5.
the 1 minute.
Yeah, 1 minute. I mean, if we get like a run into like this 15-minute.
Yeah, I do like that projection. I would like to see equilibrium of this price leg now. That's what I could see. Yeah, I mean, I didn't feel. I guess I could have taken a short looking back. I didn't like those equal highs, but NQ technically did take highs, and we were bouncing off of a daily fair value gap. So you cooked today. 1 minute inverse fair value gap at 950. 1 minute inverse at 950 on NQ. I'm guessing. At 950 you entered. No, okay, that makes sense. 950. Oh, you took this. BPR. Yeah, we came back up and we actually tagged it. Did you keep your stop? Oh, stopped at break even. I don't know. I feel like a lot of people put their stop at break even. I'm not that type of guy. Like, I'm gonna let my trade play out or not.
Yeah, facts.
Cause like, how many times?
Like if I scale, then yeah, definitely start at break even.
I can't lie. I put my stop to break even quite a lot.
Yeah, I feel like a lot of traders do that, and then like sometimes it'll come back, and I mean, I feel like just accept the risk, you know.
Yeah.
If you get stopped, you get stopped. That's just me personally, but like if you put your stop at break even, like there's nothing wrong with the break even
Order
trade.
filled.
All right, I'm not gonna lie, I'm finna hop off this Discord call, but it was
Yeah.
it was nice. It was nice. I might try to do this, but I don't know. I kind of like streaming by myself, but we'll see. We'll see. I appreciate you guys.
Yo, see you.
Yeah, I'll be on YouTube for sure.
Bet.
All right. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Nah, I'm not gonna lie. I just kind of want to listen to my music. I'm not gonna lie. I just kind of want to listen to my music, and I can't really. I guess I could. I guess I could. We're vibing lonely over here, then. Y'all, do you guys like the jazz? Be honest. Is the jazz like a good thing to have on in the background or no? All right, -2, 2.5. Excuse me. You don't like the jazz? Should I try house music? What do you mean by house music, bro? What even is what is house music? Is that like I play stops to break even after you paid yourself with 80% partials. That's what I would say. Gotta go to football training. Have a good one, John. Play Chaz behind. It's dope. Just Google it. Yeah. I'll take your house music. What do you have? I have Apple Music. Why am I searching that? Play lo-fi beats? I like lo-fi beats. I usually listen to my music and then I put on something else in the background. Okay, we'll do a non-copyright, but it'll be copyright anyway. Hell no! I hate that. I hate EDM. Sorry, I don't mess with EDM at all. Is it like alright, this is decent. This is decent. But I don't like all of this stuff. This is decent. I don't know. I don't feel like that doesn't really go well on a stream. Wait. What's like a... What's like a good... What's a good... What's a good... Wait, what was I thinking of? Like a good genre. Oh, I was lo-fi. Lo-fi beats. Let's put some lo-fi beats on. I don't know about this. Oh yeah. Hey. Bro, we can freestyle. We can freestyle. Should we do a talent show in the Discord right now? Look up Juice WRLD, but it's lo-fi. Am a piano? Yo, I mess with this. She cooking. Okay. Bro, she nice with it. She's nice with it. That she was cooking with that. Listen to Rufus Du Sol. What is that? Please don't tell me this shit's EDM. I could never mess with EDM. I don't know what it is. It just makes me feel like I have autism or like I have like ADHD. All right, this could. I don't like. I don't like this at all. It's not the worst in the world. Inner Bloom. All right, one last chance for you. $136 million views. I feel like I've heard this before. It's like, I'm falling. Is it that? I'm falling. Bro, this is like the most stoner this is like the most stoner stuff I've ever heard. Like, I could definitely see someone just getting faded and just listening to this. You probably feel like you're floating. I guess this is a reaction channel. We don't trade over here. We just react. I don't know. I just can't get behind it. I mean, I guess it's not like terrible. It's not like the worst thing in the world. Alright, yeah, that's enough of that. Nah, lo-fi is where it's at, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I can actually listen to this. Yeah. Nah, I mess with lo-fi, bro. Juice, but it's lo-fi. Alright, we're starting to get displacement here. Well, we have been. Hit your TP, nice. Where do you enter off of? You can play the continuation here. All right, like I can still, I might still look to maybe possibly enter. All right. Can you say, come on? I don't know. I'm not gonna say that. I feel like it's gotta be some suspect things. Where does -4 line up with Terminus here? Alright, I'm looking to get second stage of redistribution here. I'm trying to get in on second stage. NQ's nowhere near sell side though. You also kind of sell on US. I feel like I had that marked out. Was that the thing I was looking at? Yeah, I was looking at this. Ooh, it didn't move like I thought it would. Wait, is that the right thing? USCHF? Yeah, this is what I was eyeing. I was eyeing this to this original consolidation. Do you mind putting a long short position drawing where you plan to enter? Yeah, if I get an entry. This looks nice though. We have displacement validating that we want to go lower. I know, ideally I wouldn't like to take an... I'm not that type of guy to take an entry down here. I don't like chasing price. But yeah, we're about to hit targets here. Alright. Yeah, TP right as US Open earlier. Are you talking about funk, bro? I hate that stuff. That's like I don't like that stuff. Alright. Alright, I'm not locked in right now. I can tell. I just think the entry this morning wasn't very clear. Best entry would have been here. But I feel like I always look at like the best entry instead of like I don't have to get the best entry. Like even just entering here, putting a stop at this high, taking that low hanging fruit, and then targeting the targets would have been okay. That 5-minute order block was nice. Let's see if we get another possible entry here before we take sell side. I might like to scalp this. I don't feel confident like really taking much though. Ideally I would want to see us. I would take something like this to when we come up, we take highs. But I don't like that. It just feels like I'm chasing price. Like this would just feel like I'm chasing price. Really there wasn't any. I would agree, and that's just how it is sometimes. I mean, like you could have entered, but equal highs. We did have SMT at the highs, so we didn't have to take these highs. We come down, kind of chop. We come down with chop. We come back up into this BPR. That probably would have been the entry, honestly. Like looking back, BPR. Come back in that rebalance. I want to see if we can come work our way back up and take this internal high to then sell off. But I'm not going to take that because that's a soup. I'm not going to take a soup. I'm not going to take a soup. Always going to be another day within the market. Always. Nice. Nice. 2 shorts, 1 long today. All reach TP. Probably the best day I traded. Good, good, good. Did you follow your rules, most importantly? Did you follow your rules? Because that's the most important part. Like, I could care less if someone wins, like, 3 trades in a row. They could have not followed the rules. They could have over-leveraged. They could have over-risked. And they're less likely to... They're likely not going to succeed in the long run, you know? If that makes sense. Let's peep DXY. I wasn't really looking at DXY today. Okay, I came back in that hourly for value gap. internal to external here on on US dollar. Internal liquidity up to external liquidity. Excuse me. I don't know what's up. I don't know what's up. All right. That would be the only thing I see, but it looks like we're gonna get pushed to this low. This also is the 1 hour fair value gap I've been eyeing this whole time. In terms of entries, you had a BPR entry here. You had a redelivered, rebalanced PD array here. That you maybe could have entered here after you saw the intermediate term high. This now becomes the intermediate term high. You could have entered here. Then we get displacement. Come back within this order block. But we are within -2, 2.5 here. So I don't really like an entry there. You could have entered here. Off the 5-minute order block. Yeah, something like this. Even then, we're closing above these down close candles. For me, I gotta do more. I gotta do, like, for me to take an order block in discount, if I'm going short, I gotta do more back testing to really figure out if that's something I'm comfortable with. Because you can take an order block in discount, you just can't take a fair value gap. Alright, sorry, I'm trying to look at these DMs. I'm pretty intrigued. It's crazy I got DMs like that. It's crazy. Alright, I shouldn't be focused about that right now. Good trading with you today, son. See you tomorrow, G. Hey, have a good one, Camden. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Hit TP just now. Nice, bro. Nice, bro. Sorry again for the song suggestions. No, you're straight. I just don't like I don't like EDM personally. Can you make a video on SMT? You understand it way better than me. I think it's. I'll make you a video on SMT right now. And SMT is a divergence between NQ and ES. Or it's not even NQ and ES. There's always going to be other indices, or like it's a divergence between. Like, I'm pretty sure there's SMTs with, like, DXY and some currency. But we'll say NQ and ES because that's what we trade. It's a divergence between NQ and ES. Yeah, any correlating pairs. To where one of them makes a higher high. The other one makes a lower high. This one failed to take this high. This one took that high. So you see, took this high. So you would mark out an SMT here. And what SMTs do is they pretty much signify reversals within the market. Possible reversals. Because ideally, if we're trading NQ and ES, they're both going to be aligned because they're correlating assets. But if one of them is off from the other, then that can signify a possible reversal. Like right here, we had an SMT at the highs here. We had an SMT at the highs. Notice how order flow is bullish here, bullish here, bullish here. Until we come into this higher time frame PD array. We take this high here, and then we have the SMT, and then order flow switches bearish. this SMT and the higher time PDRA help you understand that we are possibly switching order flow. You're not just going to instantly enter short here. You're going to wait for order flow to play out. For me personally, I wanted to see us take this high here and then head lower. So I kind of got tripped up about these equal highs. I want to see us take the high. Notice here we had an SMT with NQ. NQ had actually taken this high up here, and ES hadn't, so we didn't have to take this high. And even then, we don't really have to take this high. But yeah, equal highs above us. The thing that messed me up, they look like turtle soup. Yeah, SMT can be turtle soup. SMT can signify that that level is a turtle soup. I would have more confirmation taking a turtle soup if it has an SMT, because it shows you that sign that we might want to reverse in the market. Yo, what's good, Aiden? How you doing, brother? How you doing, brother? Makes sense how to look at it from a different perspective. Yeah, and I will say, I kind of mark out SMTs too much. But the only SMTs you should really pay attention to are the higher time frame ones. These are ones that are really going to tell you. Because that's what told us that market wanted to reverse here. Yeah, there's also there's also SMTs with 4x. All right, let me see. I might head out of here. I'm not gonna lie. I like I said. Once I don't see opportunity, I'll probably head out. And this is a time where I don't really see opportunity. I didn't take a trade again today. Again, I'm not gonna chase price. The draw for me on NQ is all the way down here, but ES, we already took my draw. We took what I was looking for. I didn't get in. I didn't get an entry. So therefore, I'm gonna get on with my day. I would love to hop on live for longer, but I really want to become a profitable trader to where I'm just gonna go and study. You caught that? No, I was looking to catch it, but I never found an entry. That suited me, honestly. I want to see these equal highs get taken, and then I want to see us head lower. That's what I want to see. But I never took anything. It's all hindsight, though. Anyways, yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. I would love to, like, it doesn't make me any sense to come on here after the opportunity is already gone. I mean, there'll probably be a setup in PM that I might take, and I'll let you guys know. But I'll be packed for chart review for sure. But for now, it's time for study of some market maker models.